Pop a perky just to start a pop. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up. 2 cups, drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drink, woo, splash. Slippery, excuse me, please me. Believe me, can't be, cause I'm flexing Rari's. You can bet on me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you're new and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this really pretty pops of colors look. It's still spring, so it's spring until June, I believe. When does spring end?
Spring ends June 20th, 2018.
Today's video, I did this springy pop of colors look. It's still spring until June 20th. I asked Siri, so I know. So we're gonna be popping out these looks left and right, up and down, side to side until June 20th, okay? The look came out really nice and I really do like the way it looks. This highlight is popping. This ponytail is popping. Ow. So for all my new viewers, before this video starts, please subscribe down below, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment down below. Anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. As you can see, I have a third of my face already done. I did my eyebrows and my left eye off camera. I figured this would save a whole bunch of time in a tutorial. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So let me zoom you guys in. So that should be close enough. The first palette we're going to start off with is this ColourPop QAF palette. And I'm going to be taking only one shade out of this palette if it will focus. Anyway, it's from ColourPop. It's called QAF. It's that palette. And I'm just gonna be taking this color right here. It's kind of like a light pink color. It's not showing up as a light pink on camera. It's more peach than pink, but it's this color right here, and I'm gonna be putting that in my crease to start off their transition shades. Moving on to the next shade, we're going to be taking the Zulu Palette by Juvia's Place. I absolutely love their palette. I used this once before in a tutorial on my channel. And I'm going to be taking this bright pink color right here in the middle. I'm putting that in the crease to deepen up that pink color we started up. And I'm going to be taking this Morphe E27 brush to blend this out. I'm also going to be winging this pink out just to give a cat-like effect. I'm just going to be flicking my wrist out, almost touching my eyebrow, but not really. So I'm going to go back in with that same peachy color from the QAF palette from ColourPop, just to soften up these harsh lines on top. Okay, for the next shade, I feel like I'm just switching palettes all around. I'm going to be taking the Saharan 2 palette, again by Juvia's Place. I love this place. And I'm going to be taking this pretty shimmery teal blue in the corner and putting that in on my lid and kind of creating a cut crease. To achieve that, I'm going to be using this flat shader brush. I already used it because I did my other eye. This flat shader brush, I feel like it's a lot easier because you get to line out like where you want the crease. I'm going to be packing, like literally just packing that shade on the brush. And then the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of outline where the actual shadow is going to be. So that's where I want the shadow to be, or that's how high up I want the shadow to go. So I'm just going to define the line and then just fill in that empty space. The best way to ensure that the color pops up as much as it can is that you just pat it on your lid. I was dragging to make sure I got all the spaces filled, but now that it's all filled, I'm just gonna pat this down to make sure the color is as bright as it can be. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna be going back into the Zulu Palette by Juvia's Place, and this time I'm gonna be taking this purple shade right next to the pink shade that we used, this one right here, and putting that in the outer crease just to darken that up. And I just like to pat it to make sure the color once again is as bright as it could be. I'm just taking that Morphe E27 brush that we use for the pink shadow and just using that to blend out the purple and the pink. And also taking that into my crease. Okay, so for liner, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Megaliner. It's one of my favorite drugstore liners. It's super cheap. It's like $3 and it's really good quality. I'm going to be using this to line my eye. And I always say this, but let's see if I could stay in the frame. It's not going to happen. So I went ahead and did my eyeliner and my lashes off camera because I'm never in the frame for either. So I just did it off camera so you guys wouldn't have to see the top of my forehead. The lashes I'm wearing are from Aliexpress. I feel like all I wear are Quibi Cocoa lashes and Aliexpress lashes. But anyway, I'll link these down below for you guys if you want to check these out. The last thing we're going to do for the eyes is we're going to be taking the Zulu Palette once again. And I'm taking this shimmery teal color in the corner and putting that in the corner of my eye. So that's all for the eyes right now. So now we're gonna start with the face, and I'm gonna zoom you guys out really quick. I almost forgot to set my brow, so I'm just gonna be taking the QAF palette once again, taking any like flesh tone shade. I would like this one right here, and just set my brow bone with that. And I'm using this angled brush because I get a more precise, and it's just a lot easier to go under the brow with the flat top. I'm so dumb, I almost forgot. The last thing for the eye that I did is that I took this NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and I'm going to be putting that on the blue to just add some more shimmer and shine. Okay, so now we're done with the eyes for now. So for a primer, I like to use this Baby Skin Primer from Maybelline. I'm using this to prime my face. Very little goes a long way with this. I haven't used this primer in so long, I almost forgot how good it was. So next, you guys know I always gotta color correct, so I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the color orange. I'm just gonna be squeezing that all over my face where I feel like I need to correct, like under my eyes, little dark spots like my burns, the one on my cheek, on my chin, and I also like to go around my mouth. For today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear foundation, and I'm in the color Suede 510. This is one of my higher end foundations, and it is so bomb. When I tell you it's worth every penny, it literally covers every single spot. It is a high coverage or full coverage foundation, and it's around, I think, like $50 or $60. It's one of those prices. It's up there, trust me, I would remember. So for today's concealer, we're going to be using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and it's in the color Caramel. I don't understand why it took me so long to get this concealer. Well, I do know why. It's $30. And of course, like everyone tells you, you're going to be needing a damp beauty blender to blend this out. And to set that, I'm going to be using my Mercier translucent powder. It's been a while since I've used this powder. I've been branching out to see other brands and other products. I always end up going back to my Mercier. There are a couple that I do like, there's a couple I don't, but the Mercier never seems to fail me. So to contour, I'm using this ABH foundation stick in the color Earth. I'm going to be contouring my cheeks and my nose. And now that my wig is off, that I have my natural hair, I'm going to be contouring the top of my forehead. Try to make this 5 head into a 4 head. You know what? I'm going to try something new today. I'm going to contour the bottom of my lip. It's supposed to make your lip look plump. Not that I need it, but let's try it anyway. I don't see a difference. And to set that, I'm going to be using this Ruby Kisses mineral powder in the color Ebony. I'm just going to be putting that all over where I put the ABH foundation stick, just to set that. Look at this nose is snatched. Look at this. Swiper, no swipey, because this shit is snatched. So next for blush, I'm going to be keeping it like pinky, really rosy, just like the eyes. And I'm going to be using this MAC blush in the color Dollymix. This blush is just so perfect for spring. It really matches the pink on my lids. So before we move on, I'm going to be setting my entire face with this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Coconut. I'm just going to be setting all the places I didn't set with the translucent powder. Like under my chin, around my forehead, around my mouth, and under my contour. So for highlight, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Crown of my Canopy. And I haven't opened this yet, so I'm just going to do that right now. It's a rose gold highlighter, so I'll leave the name down in the description box. It's really pretty, and I really want to stock up my collection with these highlighters. I have 3 so far, but they're honestly really hard to find. Now to set the face while we go back to our eyes, we're going to be using the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray just to set my face for now. Okay, so going back to the eyes, we're going to be using the Urban Decay eyeliner in the color Black. It's one of my favorite eyeliners. It's super dark and it's waterproof. And putting that in our waterline. Now to smoke the shadows out, we're going to be going back into the Zulu Palette by Juvia's Place and taking the pink and purples that we used, these two right here next to each other, and putting that under our waterline and just smoking that out. And I'm just gonna brighten up that inner corner just one more time with that same light teal color. Now I'm taking mascara just to put it on my waterline to make sure these bottom lashes are popping. Okay, to set everything on my face, I'm gonna be using my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, one of my absolute favorites. I use it in almost every video. So for lips, I'm going to be using this Jordana Easy Liner Lip Liner in the shade Coffee Brown to just be lining my lips. And I'm taking this off lipstick in the color Blushing Brown. And this is broken, so I'm just going to be very careful as to how I do this. And for gloss, I'm going to be using this Revlon lip gloss in the shade Sky Pink. And then on top of that, I'm going to be taking this Black Radiance Brilliant Effects lip gloss. I absolutely love this lip gloss, like specks of glitter in it, and it just gives you like the ultimate shine. It's so pretty. I'm taking a little bit of that and putting it on top. So once again, I'm gonna be taking my Mario Badescu spray just to finish everything off. I clipped my hair so it wouldn't get in my face. So you've come to the end of the video. This is the final look, as you guys can see. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe down below, give me a big thumbs up, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.